Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Delson, and we're still tracking severe storms across the midsection of the nation, and that'll take us into this upcoming weekend with some locally heavy rain, potentially some isolated flood concerns, and we have a developing heat wave as we head into July. And climatologically speaking, the second to third week of July is right around the hottest part of the entire year for most across the nation. Severe storm reports from yesterday showing up as a lot of wind, hail, and even tornado reports across the Midwest, and again doing some damage even as far north as western Wisconsin there. And our severe threat is shifting a little bit farther south, some slight risk areas across the plains, and then a marginal threat stretching as far east as the eastern Great Lakes. And again, large hail and damaging winds will really be the primary concern as we head into the afternoon and evening. But again, we can't rule out an isolated tornado within a few areas of the central U.S. We'll be watching for that. Now on Friday, the threat shifts a little bit farther south. Still have that enhanced threat for northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, slight risk over the eastern Great Lakes. And then on Saturday, we have a marginal threat from the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle back into parts of the Northeast. So again, a few days of unsettled weather, kind of watching this boundary sag to the south a little bit, but widely scattered showers and storms again breaking out in some of the same areas that have had that heavy rain over the last 24 hours or so. So again, as we add more rain on top of that, we are looking for some isolated flood concerns. And total amounts of liquid here could still be on the order of maybe an inch or two from the Great Lakes into the central U.S. And then as you head farther south, Oklahoma City getting in on some of that heavy rain as we take you into the week here. All right, fire weather concerns showing up as an elevated risk over the Four Corners region. Temperatures are still pretty hot, looking at some triple-digit heat, but that's closer to average, not quite as excessive as it was, say, just a few days ago, but certainly last week. And we're going to go through a big change in the middle part of July. As you can see, much of the nation will be warmer than average, and there's your developing July heat wave.